Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add a PDF to your Wix website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is let's just add here a button. Like I will go with a button, like I don't know, this one here, and I'm going to make it like this, right? Then I will, what does this button say? I will go download PDF here, right? Then you're gonna see where does this link to. Click on it. And then you're going to see document here. And you want to choose a file. And when you're going to choose a file, you want to upload the media. And go with your computer. Or like from Google Drive where you have the PDF file. So right now I'm going to find a PDF file. Give me a second. Okay, and I have like invoice here, right? Let me show you. Now it's changed. Like, let's see. I don't know. This one here, right? So right now it's loading and it's uploading. And then add to page. And now we got to select, okay, what are you linking to? This file. Click done. And here you just want to press X and preview the website. And now when I'm going to click on download PDF, it will automatically open the PDF in the next window. And this is pretty much how we do it. So this is how you can add PDF to your Wix website. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance in the end. Have a great day and goodbye.